Are you looking for ways to make money on Binance? Binance is one of the world's largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. It offers a wide range of features and services, including trading, margin trading, lending, and more. In this video, we'll show you 7 ways to make money on Binance. Whether you're a novice or experienced trader, these methods can help you start earning on the platform. So, let's get started. 1. Trading. If you're looking for ways to make money on Binance, trading is one of the most profitable strategies you can use. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that provides users with a platform to buy and sell digital assets. As such, it's a great place to start trading cryptocurrencies and make some profits in the process. But before you dive into trading on Binance, it's important to understand the basics of how it works and what types of trades are available. To get started, you need to create an account on Binance and then fund your wallet with cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. After you have your funds ready, you can begin placing orders. The most common way to trade on Binance is through spot trading. Spot trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies at their current market prices. This means that you're taking a position based on whether you think the price will go up or down. It's important to remember that you don't have any control over the price, so there's no guarantee that your trades will be profitable. Another type of trading available on Binance is margin trading. Margin trading involves borrowing money from the exchange to increase your buying power and potentially increase your profits. However, it's important to note that margin trading comes with its own risks and should only be done with caution. You can also try trading other products such as futures contracts, options, and leveraged tokens. Futures contracts are agreements between two parties to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price at a future date. Options give you the right but not the obligation to buy or sell an asset at a specific price at a certain time. Leveraged tokens are digital assets that allow you to leverage your investments and increase your potential gains. If you're looking to make money on Binance, it's important to learn about the different fees associated with the different types of trades. Understanding these fees can help you minimize your losses and maximize your profits. With all these different ways to trade on Binance, there are plenty of opportunities to make money from this popular cryptocurrency exchange. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, by understanding the basics of trading on Binance and keeping an eye out for the latest market trends, you can start making profits in no time. 2. Lending. Binance's lending service allows users to make money by loaning out their crypto assets. This can be a great way to earn passive income and add another stream of revenue to your portfolio. Binance's lending platform allows users to loan out their digital assets for a fixed period of time. The interest rate depends on the asset and amount being lent out. You can set your own terms and choose the amount of interest you would like to receive. Once you have selected your loan parameters, you will receive offers from lenders. It is important to carefully review each offer before accepting. Pay special attention to the reputation of the lender, the type of loan, and the length of the loan term. Once you have chosen an offer, you will be asked to send the coins or tokens that you are lending to the lender's wallet address. You will then receive the equivalent amount of cash or cryptocurrency in return. Binance's lending platform also allows users to leverage their crypto holdings to increase their purchasing power. This is done by taking out a margin loan, which is secured by your crypto collateral. This allows you to purchase additional crypto assets while increasing your return potential. Binance's lending platform is a great way to make money by earning passive income with your crypto assets. With careful consideration and research, you can use this platform to create a steady stream of revenue and increase your overall returns. 3. Staking. Staking is one of the easiest and most popular ways to make money on Binance. Staking is the process of depositing your cryptocurrency into a pool that pays out rewards over time. The amount of the reward depends on the amount of the deposit and the number of coins staked. The Binance staking feature allows users to stake their coins in exchange for a reward. This reward can range from daily payouts to long-term returns. Binance offers staking services for many different coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, Tron, Cosmos, and more. In order to stake your coins, you first need to choose the coin that you want to stake. Then, you will need to deposit the coins into a staking pool. Once the coins are in the pool, you will begin receiving rewards in the form of newly minted coins or interest paid on the deposited coins. When choosing a staking pool, it's important to consider several factors such as the size of the pool, the staking fee, and the type of coin you are staking. The size of the pool affects how quickly you will receive rewards, as larger pools will have more rewards distributed among fewer participants. Staking fees vary between pools and coins, so be sure to research them before selecting a pool. Lastly, different coins have different staking requirements, so be sure to check those as well before making your selection. Staking on Binance is an easy and efficient way to earn passive income and increase your holdings over time. With its wide range of supported coins and flexible reward structure, it's no wonder why many people are turning to Binance staking as a way to increase their cryptocurrency holdings. 4. BnB Vault. BnB Vault is a savings feature on Binance that allows users to earn interest on their BnB tokens. It is a great way to store your BnB coins and increase your wealth over time. With BnB Vault, users can get up to 8% APY on their BnB coins, which is quite a large return. The process of setting up a BnB Vault account is simple and easy. All you need to do is log into your Binance account, select Futures and Options from the drop-down menu and then click on BnB Vault. You will be presented with 3 different options: conservative, balanced and aggressive. Each of these options will offer different interest rates based on the length of time your funds are invested and the amount of risk you are willing to take. For example, the conservative option will offer a lower rate but will also be less risky than the aggressive option. Once you have selected your desired option, you can deposit your BnB coins into your vault and start earning interest right away. It's important to note that you can only withdraw your funds after 24 hours have passed since your deposit. With BnB Vault, users can enjoy a secure, low-risk way of earning additional income. It is a great tool for those looking to increase their wealth with minimal effort. 5. Binance Savings. If you're looking to make some extra money on Binance, one of the best ways to do so is to take advantage of Binance Savings. Binance Savings is an automated system that allows users to earn interest on their digital assets held in their Binance wallets. The process is simple. Deposit your digital asset in Binance Savings, and it will automatically generate a yield for you, depending on the asset and the period of time you choose to leave it there. The yield rates vary according to the market and are subject to change over time. The key to maximizing your returns is to identify digital assets with higher yield rates and stay updated on any changes in the market. With Binance Savings, you can also set up recurring deposits which allow you to maximize your returns. You also have the option to set up flexible savings plans where you can deposit and withdraw your funds at any time, ensuring that you are always making the most out of your savings. In addition, Binance Savings gives users the opportunity to save on trading fees when they choose to use their savings as collateral for margin trading. This provides users with a great way to increase their earnings while keeping their money safe and secure. With Binance Savings, users can enjoy peace of mind knowing that their money is stored securely and that their funds are protected from any malicious attacks or other risks. So, if you're looking for an easy and secure way to make money on Binance, then Binance Savings may be the perfect solution for you. 6. Binance Launchpad. Binance Launchpad is a revolutionary platform designed to help users make money on Binance. It offers the chance to invest in promising projects and tokens, access exclusive bonuses, and gain exposure to an array of trading tools. Whether you're an experienced trader or a newbie, Binance Launchpad can help you turn a profit and diversify your portfolio. Here are 7 ways you can use Binance Launchpad to make money on Binance. Initial exchange offerings, i.e., IEOs, invest in new tokens on the Binance exchange with a one-time fee. IEOs provide a great opportunity to get in on the ground floor with the hottest projects and potentially turn a profit when their prices rise. Token swap programs. Swap out your old tokens for new ones offered by leading projects through Binance Launchpad. Not only will you gain access to better technology, but you can also benefit from potential price increases once they're listed on the exchange. Discounted sales. Get access to exclusive discounts and bonuses when investing in projects through Binance Launchpad. Lotteries. Enter lotteries to get access to exclusive tokens before they hit the exchange. A lucky few will be chosen to purchase these tokens at discounted rates. Airdrops. Get free tokens when projects launch on the Binance exchange. Bonus codes. Receive bonus codes when you invest in certain tokens on Binance Launchpad and use them to buy more tokens at a discounted rate. With Binance Launchpad, you can start taking advantage of these opportunities today and make money on Binance with ease. 7. Referral bonuses. Making money on Binance is easier than ever with their referral program. When you refer a friend or family member to Binance, you will receive a bonus for each successful referral. The amount of the bonus varies depending on the product they purchase, but it can range from 10 to 30% of the referral's transaction fees. Referral bonuses can quickly add up, so if you have a lot of contacts who use Binance, this could be a great way to make some extra money. To start earning referral bonuses, log into your Binance account and click the Referral Program tab. There, you will find your unique referral link and other resources to help you spread the word about Binance. You can also view your referral history and see how much you've earned through referrals. So, if you're looking for an easy way to make money on Binance, consider taking advantage of the referral program. You can earn a good amount of extra income just by referring your friends and family members to Binance. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Investments. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.